How to cancel an Audible audiobook pre-order. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel an Audible audiobook pre-order. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log into your Audible account, just like I've done here. And so once you're logged in, ensure you log in using the web page. Okay. Once you're on this page, move to the right side of the screen and then click on your name or your profile name. By doing that, a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, you see options like account details, pre-orders, rating and reviews, member benefits, etc. So click on pre-orders. By clicking on pre-orders, you'll be taken to the pre-orders page. So on this page, you'll see the number of pre-orders that you've made so far. And so once you can see this, the next step is for you to locate the audiobook you pre-ordered amongst this list. Alright. So by locating the pre-order, you can decide to use the search icon. Okay. But then by locating the pre-order, move to the right side of the audiobook and then you'll see the option cancel pre-order. Cancel pre-order. Click on it and then you receive a confirmation that your pre-order has been cancelled. So that is it. This is how you get cancel pre-orders on your Audible account. It's very simple, so ensure you try it out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.